All right, what do you do when you try to put an address in and it doesn't want to cooperate? So, like, I do this, it doesn't give it to me right. I put a space in, it doesn't work. So, there's a couple of things you could do. One, you could just try leaving the house number off and see if that helps. And it doesn't because the property is in Georgia. Or what you do is you find it on a map. So for example, what I would do is I would just, this is the address. So I'm gonna like type the address here. Hold on, let me grab it. All right, so because there's the house. I'll type the address in. I'm gonna look on the map and say, all right, where is the property? And I look for, all right, here's 575. There's a major road, 20, and it's off this Fieldstone Drive. There it is. Okay, cool. So what I would do is I'll go in there and say, okay, here's Propstream, here's 575, here's 20, and then I'm going to go find that spot. Now I already did part of it, but here's where it is. And so now I have found the property, so to speak. So if I zoom in enough, you'll see there it is, and it's 308. So here's the property. And so now it found it. Now, why that would not come up here, I don't know, because it's so, but we're just gonna like click it and boom, we found it. So that is when a property, the search function doesn't find it, go to the map to find it.